All right, this next dance is called Broken Stones. It goes to a lot of dances, but we're going to teach you one that goes to Sangria by Blake Shelton. And it's a couples dance, so this would be a good way for you to get cozy with your loved one. So how it's going to happen is she's going to give her inside hand to mine, and I'll reach my arm around her shoulder here. So this is how we stop in our, or this is how we start in our sweetheart position. Is that what it's called? Sure. I think that's what Tim would say. We'll ask the DJ. All right. So how we started off with is, I call it heel, leg, shuffle, heel, leg, shuffle. So let's back up and show that again. I don't really know all the fancy stuff, but you kick the heel out, bring it to your toe, and then shuffle, heel, toe, shuffle. Okay? We're killing it already.
I know.
We're dominating this tutorial. All right, so we're going to take that full speed, and then we're going to go right into the next thing from there. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Heel, toe, shuffle. Heel, toe, shuffle. And then from here, we're both going to rock forward. Where we're going to.
Should we back forward?
Sure.
Okay.
So already shuffled, and then once we finish that last shuffle, we're going to rock forward with our right foot. Rock. And then we're going to open up and then rock to the other side.
You're going to shuffle to get to the other side.
Okay?
Right. So you're going to you're going to rock.
So you're going to rock.
Rock right and
Shuffle.
And
rock
left.
and shuffle. Okay? So basically we just went from this same starting position, open to the side, shuffled together, turned away, and then did the same thing and came back, okay? So let's go to the very beginning and go through that again, all right? Starting with our right foot first on that heel toe. 3, 2, 1, fun. Heel, toe, shuffle. Heel, toe, shuffle. Rock, open, rock, open. And then from here is we're gonna spin our person around. So I'm gonna spin Marissa around like this, okay? And then from there, I'm just going to lift my right arm up. She's going to spin around one time, and we're going to settle facing this way. And then we'll rock, right?
No, then we start over.
And then we got to do this thing, right? Like you shuffle, and then, or you rock, and then we come here and here, okay?
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I'm right. It's really easy for me to be right on this one because the guy's supposed to lead the dance. So she just gets to look pretty, and I do all the work on this one.
Like a rag doll.
So, starting from the beginning, we'll do that whole thing with the turn, and then we'll iron out that last piece, okay? 3, 2, 1, listening. Heel, toe, shuffle. Heel, toe, shuffle. Rock, open, rock, open. Step the lady through, spin her around, and then from here, it's right foot rocks, step the feet in place, left foot rocks, step the feet in place.
I believe it's called a coaster step.
Oh, it's called a coaster step if we're going to get all technical. And then we would start again from the beginning here. So facing this way, it would be heel, toe, shuffle. Heel, toe, shuffle. So let's do the whole thing put together, including our little spins and our fancy stuff at the end there, okay?
Yes. And
all right.
We'll do it with music.
And then we'll do it with music. All right, 3, 2, 1, fun. Heel, toe, shuffle. Heel, toe, shuffle. Rock, open, rock, open. Spin them once, spin them again. Rock, coaster step, rock, coaster step, beginning. Heel, toe, shuffle. Heel, toe, shuffle. Rock, open, rock, open. Set them up for the spin. Good. All right, so let's try it again with music this time. I'm a really great teacher, super humble. All right, so let's do this one with music.
Ready?
Will you count us in, or should I count us in?
Just kidding.
It's when he starts singing. 6, 7, 8.
You're crashing into me like waves on the coast. Every time we talk, you're moving close. stop tonight. We got the last two glasses on a straw hut bar, trying to remember what number we are. String of white lights making your eyes shine tonight. We're buzzing like that no vacancy sign out front. Your skin is begging to be kissed by a little more than the sun. You take my hand in yours, you lean in, and your lips taste like sangria. Your lips taste like sangria. Wrecking ball